Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Msnaturally Mary here. I have a pretty cool video for you all today. Today I'm going to be showing you all a 2-in-1 headband wig. Like what? This one is so amazing. It came in this package. It does come along with a wig cap as well as an elastic band and headbands, which I didn't even realize were in the package, but I'm so glad they did decide to send some. These are the different options that they have on their website. This one is a long multicolored headband, and this one is great for preserving your unit at night if you decide to wear it overnight. I really like the colors in this one. This one I wasn't so sure about, but this one is really cute. And then there's another one with the same pattern, but a different color scheme. So let's get into this headband wig. So this is what it looks like. It comes in sort of this kinky straight look. It has like a blown out natural hair look. It does come with combs on the inside. And it also comes with your standard headband with the Velcro on the end. This is so that you can secure it on in the back. And here's a better look of the headband. This is how thick it is in the front. You can just put this on as is or decide to put a headband over. So I've already slicked my hair down. I did that prior to the video. And I did use less jam as well as Got2b glue in the black bottle in order to slick my edges. So now I'm just going to proceed to install the unit. And as you all know, you just take the back where the Velcro is and you just attach it. Be careful because it can snag your hair and we don't want that. So after doing that, you're pretty much done. This texture did come with crimps in it in the front because of the packaging. This is the length. It is in length 18. I'm just giving you all a better idea of what it looks like currently. You could wear it as is, but I'd recommend straightening it. And this texture is a really great texture for my natural hair girls. If you're someone who likes a blowout look with a smooth, straightened finish, then this unit would be perfect. And I'm going to show you all later that it actually becomes curly when you wet it. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful straight, but let me tell you, when it's curly, oh my.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
See y'all, isn't this texture beautiful? And I love how the ends are tapered and not super blunt, so it looks really natural and realistic. This is a really great natural hair wig. Right now I'm trying on all the headbands that were sent to me, and then we're going to move on to spraying water on the hair so that you all can see it curly. Oh, and I'm also going to show you all some really nice natural hairstyles that are simple and easy to do. I'm also going to show you all a great way to wear this particular headband for those who do not have edges or may experience thinning in the front. So keep watching, and y'all go ahead and like this video now.
Young Budsy. Young Budsy. Young Budsy.
They say she like a man with enough swag. Who has got class? Who does not brag? Fine die. If you got 8 things, man, Shadi top guy. From ABJ to Lagos, Shadi run towns. And one thing, man, she never let her guys down. Okay, baby, calm down. You know, anywhere I go, that I shut it down. So come chill with the boss like Hugo, and I'll follow you anywhere you go. And anything you want, you have it. And anything you need, you have it. And anything you want, you have it. Yes. And anything you need, you have it. Say I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you roll. You know you girls come, but you are too fly. You are so nice, you are too shy. Shawty girl curve that is so killing, and anytime you come around, you know I catch feelings. Man, Shawty fly die, from the bottom to the top, man she fly die. You know anything you want, I can settle for, and we can ride around town in my RAV4. Okay, Shawty, what you waiting for? Other girls got nothing, what they hating for? I could be someone you can sleep on, and anytime you got a problem, you can rely on. And anything you want, you have it. And anything you need, you have it. And anything you want, you have it. And anything you need, you have it. Shawty, I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you move. You know you drive me crazy. You know you drive me crazy. Shawty, I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you move. You know you drive me crazy. You know you drive me crazy, shawty.
Now that I've shown you all how to slay the unit while it's straight, let's get into how it looks curly. In this spray bottle, I added water along with my Aussie 7-in-1 conditioner. I'm going to spray the water and conditioner on the hair, and it's going to revert to curly. It's so simple and easy, and the curls are going to look so good.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times we'll cherish. No comparing to you. Don't need Keisha, Karen, don't want Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls.
I love the way this headband wig looks curly. I didn't actually go in and create volume just yet because I wanted to show you guys what it would look like right after it dries. So right now I'm just adding a headband to the front, and in a moment I'm gonna fluff the hair just to create volume and get it big like I like it.
This is for my babies. My beautiful baby. Today I saw you all straight. I think you're beautiful, I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby our love is natural.
All right, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope that you all enjoyed seeing this 2-in-1 headband wig. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Check the description. I'll have all the links and specifications provided down below. I love you guys, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.